Welcome aboard this service to Cambridge. The next station is Letchworth. Please keep your bags and personal belongings. Welcome to this service for Norwich. We will be calling at Brandon, Thetford, Attleborough, Wymondham and Norwich.
Just for the record, that was the OD equipment playing up. I've been stood here for the old little activation, so I'm not sure why that barrier stop happened. It was probably something to do with me, but I was well away from the crossing as that activated. Hello, welcome back to Electra Level Crossings. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I'm at Brandon, as the station sign there says. This is down for a service going towards Ely from Norwich. I'm actually here for a very special move, for a very special train. It's not often I do proper railway videos, but today I've changed my mind. It is an EMR 170, and it's just passing through. I was expecting it to stop, fair play. It's 170, 204 and 507 there. Today I'm here for a move of 2. It's getting called an idiot, as usual. I'm here for a move of a class 50, 50008, with 3 43s and a few Mark 3s, as far as I'm aware. It's going from Dereham, Mid-Norfolk Railway to Burton-on-Trent, Wentmore Sidings. Now, the whole reason why I'm doing this little bit of a different video is because 43238 is one of the best things in my life, as sad as that sounds, and it was my favourite train for a long time. 491 111 took that spot. So I thought I'd come down to Brandon today to go see it. I was last here in September of 2024, and I was just filming all the crossings on the line. Them videos aren't out at the time I'm recording this though, so I'm not sure when this will be uploaded. So then, just waiting for our second activation now. I'll ensure that I don't barrier stop the crossing this time. I still don't know what happened there. I watched back the footage. It looked like I was much closer than I was. One of those incidents. I always make sure that I'm far enough away that it won't trigger any kind of emergency protocol procedures, whatever you want to call them. After these next 2 trains will be 43238, and that's 5 Mike 43 is the head code, that move. Yeah, just getting set up now. Should be 2 trains in this activation. Fun. So then I successfully captured 43238. Yeah, good little move that. Well, one of my favourite moves I've captured, to be fair. It's really lovely because I had the 50 on it as well, obviously. I've got about 20-30 minutes till my train back towards Ely now. So just chill for a bit. The level crossing should reactivate in the next 5-10 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes maybe. That'll be for an EMR service going to Liverpool Lime Street. I'm going to try and capture a photo of that from the bridge since it's a 158, and I want to get some of the orange 158s before they're all repainted, just for the sake of it. So I'm going to walk back down to the crossing. It'll be the same side again, I'm afraid. Just it'll probably be a double because there's also a Stansted train coming, but obviously I just want to be sure that I'm on this side of the footbridge for the EMR. Unless I try and dash over there, but I don't think that's possible. Depends how early it activates. For the past few though, they've been pretty late. And I'm more interested in getting a photo rather than getting a backlit shot of the level crossings, so especially since I filmed this just a few months back. And somebody trespassing shit now. But yeah, actually someone just straight up walking down the track. I'll try not to directly film him because obviously I don't know what kind of person he is, but yeah, there's literally somebody just walking down the track. Then that was my final proper activation here at Brandon. I might film the one for my train coming in, but that is pretty much it. The trespass had cleared off the tracks before that train passed. I've got 10 minutes till my train now, just chilling on the bench. Yeah, quite a good little visit. I must say it's not the nicest of areas though. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah, it's pretty hit or miss, and both times I've been here it's been pretty bad. But you know, couldn't really get to Spooner Row, Attleborough. Well, Attleborough's just as bad. Couldn't get to Spooner Row, Harlyn Road, or Shippey Hill, or Lakenheath because they don't see trains nearly as often. So literally twice a day for all of them. Yeah, it's a very nice line this, and hopefully I'll get to refilm it soon.